Latest issue. Wheel is not in the right place. Tyre.
Oh, 20 pounds.
I'll show you the issue in a second. That's what this side looks like. I've got time for video, I'm late already. Toe arms, camera arms. Come inside to my problems. Snapped. Cracked. If I can show you that cracked one. Crack. So he's obviously started failing. Put more pressure on that one. The wheel sat back. Loads of fire. Burny paint. All my problems. Such a love-hate relationship. You pull, I pull. You,
Wait.
I mean, there's so much room, but so little.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any more? No. Right. You just go.
Yeah, but you have to hold it.
There you go.
Yeah, but mine's at the front.
Oh.
Pull down. That's it. And then you hold down. Hold down.
And then do you want
Can
me
you pull? Can you pull down more than that or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then reset you?
No reset. Are we getting anywhere? Are we doing anything?
We're doing things.
Now, children.
Yeah, they go. Just go. Yeah, it's there. Just do. It was.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Right now. Fuck it. Right, surely.
Yeah, dear.
Right.
Just need a little Rodney Johnson on it.
Come out. Yeah, it's come out. Yay! Oh, look, that's nice.
I'm gonna keep this as a fucking souvenir.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
It just does it off. Fuck. That's what she said.
Oh, you little mig. The scenario was, I was driving to drop Lewis off some tools for when he was working on his MX-5. Driving down the road, obviously a nice day, nice weather. I was like, what's that? I was like, oh, that smells funny. Someone's burning. Someone's cooking something funny on their barbecue. I can't think what that is. Yeah, next minute, I was like, smoke. Oh no.
What do you mean, oh no?
Oh no.
Don't be a bellend.
Oh no.
I got plumber's grips in the van.
Take the caliper off. Take the caliper off. We still don't know what we're doing. Well, Jordan doesn't, really.
I just act like I do.
Yeah, I'll just pretend for videos. Don't worry, we're now on doing the call over.
There you go.
Jesus Christ. Right, Alan boy. And this little one. Big one. Little one.
Yeah, that's how you take a rotor off.
Well, when I need to change that absolute monster, which I hope is never. Okay, 2 bolts on the back were meant to come out, release this front thing, spinny.
Do you want to try and do the middle one?
Don't do I. Well, we have to while we're here, because the handbrake is in the way.
Hold
Hooray!
it like that. Hold it like that. Jordan!
Yeah, but that helps you line it up. Anyway, matchy.
Yeah, I want to see what it was, because then if you ever take the wheel off, you'll be like, hell yeah, my man's got Driftworks.
We're not changing any rubbers in that.
Look at that.
Wow,
Oh, wow.
purple.
Oh, wow. And the nutty.
That's
Look
alright.
at that.
Oh, why didn't them idiots go this way?
Oh.
Yeah, idiots.
What a bunch of idiots.
Yeah.
God, why wouldn't they do... Oh.
Stupid
Wait,
idiots. Yeah, why would you even go this way?
Yeah, anyway,
God's sake,
putting it back in the same way.
Not like they knew what they were doing.
What a bunch of morons. God, I hate them guys.
Yeah, hot dicks. At least we've done it the right way now. I panicked. The new one was loose, I forgot to show you. The old one is obviously there, but I've crunched it together and it's gone tight, so if that's not right, let me know before I crash and die, thank you. Alright, you do look up torque settings. Okay.
60 is what I normally go with.
If it's not a performance.
If it's a 17mm, 60.
I would say more towards a ton.
A ton? What the hell is a ton?
100.
Is it?
100? On to the next one. Camberlicious. Just a little bit of pressure. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I imagine that's done something. That's it. Shim. Yeah. You'll just stay in there. Old Henry's coming out.
Henry.
No, more Henry. Not the new part. Can I put my coilover back on? Yeah.
Oh, didn't want that one anyway. Oh yeah, that's great.
What's that? Something's moved. I've got a bit more on that. Can that rest on
that can rest on the floor. That's fine.
Removed. Nutty. Old. Cracky. Well done, Bird. You held on for a bit. So I appreciate your hard work. You cost me 200 quid. Still. Right, you must assume previous position. We have to fondle handbrake again first.
Where's the copper grease when you need it?
You don't put copper grease on these parts. I looked that up.
Do you know?
No.
Why not?
Because it leads to over tensioning or something, or over tightening.
Shit.
Apparently. Was it 100? Wow. Okay. These will all be checked by a certified mechanic. Yeah. Just need to drive 300 metres. Well, I can do a speed run tomorrow.
I'll come down and help anyway. You won't be able to do this. Well, you will be able to do it. Yeah.
Oh wow, look how good that night mode is.
Is it good or not?
Yeah, it's pretty good to be fair. Even with the horrendous backlighting.
You know I'm not.
Lift. Really, really lift. No, not that much.
I'm glad we got that on film.
I mean, as ever working on the cars, the highs and lows are unbelievable.
It's gone well.
Yeah.
Car's landed on you.
No one's died except for my screen protector on my camera. Way! Way! Right.
Get the torque back out there.
Talk her up, sister. What was it, 130? Right, crispy tyre. That means I'm going to have to do some crazy shiz on these wheels now. Really flopped it up. Couldn't find him.
You alright?
Couldn't find it. Not anymore. Choo. It's back.
Huh?
It's back in the middle. I should have cleaned that arch a little bit while it was up. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. There we are.
Right, line up, line up.
Oh my god, my back doors are open. Until tomorrow. Try Try not to bake in the sun again. Fitment, still not good. Need to change it. Need to take the nut off. To make it look the same as the old one, because that only had one. But this had 3, which is now in there in case I need it, in case the mechanic tells me I'm being a complete moron. But hopefully not. Let's do this side. Oh no. Careful then.
Did it spin that way last time? Yeah, it did.
Lewis's investigatory work. It was a very good purchase. Required on both sides. Cheers, Driftworks, in your old crap design. Hopefully your new design is better.
It's just not loose enough.
What's wrong with this one? Can I wind you away?
I need a spare.
No. That's going great. Hooray.
Excellent! Yay! Oh.
Is this one
Oh.
the one of the 4 that is still together? Oh,
Oh, yeah, great.
he's crunchy.
Yippee!
I mean, I'm going to send that back and tell him to frame it.
Yeah.
It's survived.
It's probably your only one that's actually lived.
Oh.
Yay! All the morale, yay!
We've got nothing on either side.
Yeah, brilliant. Here's Lewis's side. All nice and done. Because I'm better. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, looking fresh. All nice and shiny. Don't worry about that one. That one's still big in. Yeah. But yeah, everything's all nice and tight now. What's Jordan saying? Oh, nothing much.
So we thought one of the suspension parts were broke, but luckily 3 out of the 4 were. So
Yes.
Good job they come in pairs.
Exactly.
If
If they didn't come in pairs, then it'd be a problem. We'd be pretty. There'd be a very angry Jordan Mill. And this car would not be going to Castle Cove.
Just the last one. That's it. Let's maybe feel better. Get him away then. That's what it feels like right now. I don't trust you. I gotta ring him, see if it's like. It looks stupid. I think we're towed in ever so slightly on both sides, but I've booked in for a realignment tomorrow, so. We're home after 3 days in the blazing heat, the hottest weather ever. Then it rained and hailed. The hailstones in Melksham, don't know if I know anyone on here in Melksham, but were like golf balls. I've seen videos. I was going, what are the chances of this? It's either 32 degrees and absolutely melting, so my car was sheeted as best as possible because old Japanese plastics and things, my mind was going mental. And then it hailed in the middle of the night. And I was just thinking, could be in the garage right now, but clearly I upset Jesus. But needs a good clean tomorrow. I'm going to go and get an alignment. It doesn't look too bad. The camber's nearly there. Needs a little bit more on this side because we only just get past the first set of knuckles. Whereas this side, we're a little bit more than. It drives fine. There was no rubbing then, but I don't know when you get people in the back whether it will. But this side seems pretty good. Maybe slightly too much this side. Maybe go slightly out on this one. And bring that one. It might be alright where he is. I don't know. I can't remember what it was like before. But we'll see. We'll go for that tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. It's a bit random, a bit all over the place. This second day I was just wanted to get it done, so there's less filming, but hopefully got the gist of it in the first video as we were working it out. If you guys ever need to do this job, hopefully that will help you out, but if not, thanks for watching.